Hello and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. This is yesterday's session, which I tried to record, but due to some technical glitches, I was not able to record it. So this is a series of, or you can say, sessions which I'm recording on a daily basis, wherein I would be sharing trades along with the profits which they have yield. So we have made a practice of, for example, XAUUSD and through yesterday's as well in XAUUSD. First trade setup which we got was, one second, let me zoom in so that it should be clear to everyone. We are only focusing on this entire price area of yesterday, and whatever today's trade setup, if at all, if they appear and if we get good trade setup, then I'll be uploading a video by tonight. So here we got first selling opportunity at 26,443.360. This was why I have taken this trading opportunity. This is my trading like trading institution candle. We need as as my student, they know, we look for a candle wherein we get supply. Now, just walk you through the background, what has happened previously. We are getting demand is increasing. As we are approaching, we got a resistance as well as what you can say, a distribution price level, and price reached this particular price level, and it came back, it tested it, and then it came back, it tested it, and it came down. And this was my trade initiation candle, and the price was wherein I initiated the trade is like where 2644.360. So this was the trade opportunity which was for me, and this was the exit because this is an distribution line, major distribution level with blue and fuchsia dots. You can see this is the major distribution level. So this was my target, and my target was achieved. And in this trade, we got around 243, give or take 243.2 points. This for the first trade. So now after this thing, what I like price is going here and there, and then we can see demand picking up, and supply is also there. And unlike what the price action should do at this particular point, it is doing. There is a tug of war between demand and supply, demand and supply. And after that, the resolve was on like the people who have opted for the accumulation distribution course, Wyckoff in 21st century. They know what this particular line is. So price came back, and we see demand picking up from this particular point. And after this demand, we can see supply is weakening. And this was the last gut check to take the market downwards. And we got a testing as well as this is the first successful swing, and then coming back. And this point was the point wherein we would have initiated a trade. The buy opportunity trade two, that was of 2644,190. From there onwards, we can see price made a very good progression towards upper side, and we got another resistance formed at this particular level, and successfully price uh, absorbed this to went through an absorption phase over here, then broken out and then tested and move upwards. So at this particular point, I exited the trade. That was a 2658. Being said that, we are doing seeing a climatic behavior kind of a thing over here, and then after that we see a pullback wherein we can see the supply increasing and the demand is getting exhausted at this particular point. So now this was the second trade setup second. Now here I initiated third trade. This is the sell candle. Everybody knows who are using a system and who went undergone my training. They know, everybody knows that we initiate trades based on trigger candle or the trade initiation candle is of either demand or supply. So here we got a supply candle, a pure picture perfect trade, a counter trend trade, or you can say we were able to get the catch the trade on the top, and we got this entry over here. So this trade yielded around 13. I'm concerned about these points. I'm only taking into account this point. You can do the calculation into pips and all the stuff at your end. So 1381.0 was the points profit based on this particular level. So somewhere around here, I exited at 2658. So having said that, I got an entry at this particular point, like somewhere here, 2660.105, and this was my target, first target, second target. I exited out at this 2651, 385, give or take something. So this was my exit at this particular point, and this particular trade yielded me 872 points, give or take, as you can see over here. So my main sole objective is simple, just to align the system together and take the trades whenever they come up with a confirmation from uh, supply and demand uh, assessment based on David Weiss indicator, which I've adapted and upgraded so that I can see multiple time frame. So this is how we traded XAUUSD, and we got good tradable opportunities yesterday. And just have a look at Euro USD. We got true trading, very excellent trading opportunity. But means having said that, the price action, you can say supply came in, or like supply came in at this particular point. This was a distribution line. This is an accumulation line. Price level, you can say. So this distribution line, it acted as a distribution, and you can see prices getting, like, there is no demand whatsoever to take the market upwards. But this was the last gut check, and I entered at this particular point because we have a high confluence trading zone formed over here. We got a major accumulation, as well as this green line is minor distribution. Sorry, my bad. This is minor distribution and major distribution, as well as minor distribution. This particular green line. So the reason I'm making if I would have hidden all the things, then trades are simple. But the reason I have marked the trades with the exit, because many people are talking about, sir, where you enter and where you exit. So I'm a consistent. I believe in consistency, and I want 80% of the time market should go in my favor. Whether how many pips I'm earning, let the market take care of my profits. What I'm concerned about is I should get an entry with a logical backing. So you can see we are approaching upward, arching over of the prices, and this is a climatic behavior, buying climax coming at, at the particular point, that is distribution level, and two distribution confluence. One is this particular line has formed, and price came back below this particular level, both the major and minor distribution, and I shorted at this particular point. This was my stop above, give or take, based on my spread and everything. And now my target was, like, as soon as the price started going downwards from this particular point, my target was somewhere around here. So I exited at this particular point, and then this was my second entry. Now the second entry is purely backed by, like you can see, supply is greater than demand, and price is also going in sync with this one. So I got an entry at this particular candle. Please always like look into the candles wherein I'm initiating trade. That would be a learning for you. We got an accumulation, minor accumulation level, and then it got converted into FTI. So the people who have gone through or who are undergoing accumulation and distribution course, they will understand this thing, why I consider this indicators to be benchmark for my trading. To give us excellent trading opportunity and price level wherein we can short or we can buy. So here we got, this was not a perfect case. I was expecting a perfect case, but we know the underlying trend is downwards. The supply is greater than demand. We have already broken our, we have already come down from our distribution zone, and we are expecting price this to act as a FTI, and it did. And then this was my first target, and I exited at this particular point. That was 1.03869. So this is how I plan my trades and I execute my trades accordingly. I know the price went down till this particular point. Even we got an opportunity at this particular level also. This is a major um, accumulation level. This is a major distribution level. So distribution price level and accumulation price level. So this is how one would have entered over here with the target, predefined target at this particular point, and so achieved. But I don't trade because I have because already we can see there is a climatic behavior over here, and I'm this much points is more than enough for me consistent basis. So this is how I ended up 2 trades on Euro USD and 3 trades on XAUUSD. Hope you people enjoy this video. Make this a learning video. Like watch this video for the learning experience, and hope you would be able to identify. And I will keep on sharing the video on this line for with my trades and everything, so that you should be execute trades when everything goes enough and take care of your profits. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye bye.